Welcome back Auto Show Cars. The 2025 Volvo XC90 is a luxury SUV that blends Scandinavian elegance with modern innovation. This latest version continues Volvo's tradition of safety, comfort, and minimalist design, all wrapped into a bold, refined package. It's the kind of SUV that doesn't scream for attention but earns respect the moment it arrives. From the outside, the XC90 has a sleek, clean look, highlighted by its signature, Thor's hammer, LED headlights and a prominent front grille. Smooth body lines and chrome accents add to its premium presence, making it stand out in a crowded SUV segment. The 2025 model introduces subtle design updates, enhancing aerodynamics while keeping the classic XC90 silhouette intact. Under the hood, the XC90 offers a range of powertrains, including a mild hybrid and a plug-in hybrid option, delivering both performance and efficiency. The top-tier Recharge T8 plug-in hybrid delivers up to 455 horsepower, combining electric power with a turbocharged and supercharged engine. You get quick acceleration, smooth highway cruising, and the ability to drive short distances on pure electric power, perfect for daily commutes. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with high-quality materials, genuine wood trim, and a minimalist dashboard layout. Every surface feels refined and carefully crafted. The XC90 comfortably seats up to 7 passengers, with supportive seats in all 3 rows. Front seats come with heating, ventilation, and optional massage functions, enhancing long-distance comfort. The 14.5-inch vertically oriented touchscreen is powered by Google's Android Automotive OS, giving you built-in Google Maps, Assistant, and access to the Play Store. It's intuitive, responsive, and seamlessly integrates with your digital life. A premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system adds concert-level audio quality to the ride. Volvo's safety features remain a highlight. Standard equipment includes pilot assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, and a 360-degree camera system. The XC90 continues to be one of the safest SUVs on the road, with Volvo's advanced driver assistance technology working in the background to keep everyone protected. Driving the 2025 XC90 is a serene experience. It glides over bumps with its adaptive air suspension, offers quiet refinement at any speed, and feels composed whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the highway. The Volvo XC90 2025 is not just a luxury SUV, it's a smart, stylish, and safe companion for families who want comfort without compromise.